Every morning, hundreds of dreams walk through these gates with care, creativity, and character at its heart. Noble Senior Secondary School builds not just students but confident individuals.
Because education is not just about books, it describes who you are and what you will become.
At Noble Senior Secondary School, learning begins with curiosity. Here, every question is encouraged, every voice is valued, and every step is celebrated.
Admission open now. Be the parents who chooses the best.